Are you making me nervous right now? What? Okay, so I am back and I am here with a new brand that I've never tried, but apparently they are, not apparently, they are award-winning by Allure, so I'm in for a hot treat. It's Danessa Myrick's Beauty. And just from what I've seen and read very briefly, their products are very versatile. So it's like eyes, lips, cheeks with one product, and you knock it all out so you can get like a cute monochromatic look if you want to look chic. Oh my God, I didn't even introduce myself. How rude. Welcome to my channel. My name is Monia, and today you are watching Ride or Die with Monia, and we are trying out a new booty brand. So yeah, let me go ahead, open these suckers up. I have three that are, I have two colorfix mattes, then I have one glaze, and then I have one vision flush. I'll just explain them when I get there. Hold up. The ones that are color fixes, mattes or glazes, they retail for $18. I got three colors. I got clear, cause we finna be glossy, okay? And saucy. You always gotta be saucy. Then I have exposed and creme brulee, which are just neutral brown and pink, cause I'm basic. The nude and the pinkish nude mattes are waterproof for up to 24 hours. Now I'm gonna be going to the gym. Maybe I'll be able to sneak in a check-in afterwards. Oh, I'm on a roll today. But regardless, these are for eye liquid cheek. These are liquid pigments. They do dry very, very, very fastly. So it's important to use a little bit. Blend, 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 and then dab in and blend, 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 blend. Like, don't be pulling the shenanigans I've pulled in my previous videos where it's like, ooh, and I'm like, oh, gotta use this all up now. And I use it all up, right? Like, that is not the way we're gonna roll today. So that is a little bit about the color fixes. They have a bunch of different colors. I really wanted the white one, but they were out of stock. I wanted to do like a nice white eyeliner moment and be like futuristic. And then the other item I got is the Vision Flush, which is more of a semi-glossy look. It's really what I saw it. I was like lip gloss, all right. But you can use it as a blush. You can put on your eyes. It's just gonna be glossy. And sometimes glossy can be sticky. And this one is in the shade, wow, it's not even gonna tell me, Nutcracker. So let's just go ahead and just dive right in, baby. Oh, this is Creme Brulee. This is Exposed. Safe and simple, like me. Oh, that was very liquidy. I'm a little nervous. This is Creme Brulee. This is Exposed. So Creme Brulee, that is very watery. Wow, a little bit goes a long way. I mean, shit. When are you gonna dry down, baby? I mean, that feels nice though. That's a nice texture. It's a lot brighter than I wanted. I do not like that color, so I will not be using it. Ooh, this is a lot darker than I thought. This is Creme Brulee. Okay, and then let's go ahead and just put the clear gloss on my hand. And the Vision Flush. Oh, this one is like a diamond tip, darling. Oh my God, this is just like ready to bust. Jeez. So this is clear, right? I'm just, ooh, that is thick. I don't know how I'm gonna feel having that on my eyes. I'm just kind of doing like a circle. Kind of took off a little bit of this here. All right, and then we're just gonna try out the Vision Flush in shade Nutcracker, because we're just swatching, baby. Oh my God, that's so dark. I'm not a fan of the colors. I'm gonna use the nude matte, the Creme Brulee, as my eye look, and I'll put some clear on it, and then I'm gonna use this gloss as a gloss, and we will see how all of this applies. Are these the colors I would ever choose? no, they looked way lighter on the computer. So my eyes have been prepped and primed. I used the Hourglass eyeshadow primer, and then I set it with my Gucci setting powder. Yeah. So I'm gonna do what she recommended, was to add a little bit, like just this much, that little dot there. And that's basically what I'm gonna be working with. I'm so stressed right now, guys. Okay. That actually is not that bad. There is like a little color stuck here. I'm gonna do my other eye real quickly off camera. This is horrifying. Like, I do not like this at all. The blending is shit, to be completely honest. Like, I'm so put off. Like, I don't even want to do the rest of my makeup. I really want to give up. Look at that. So as you can see here, it's patchy. It's not smoothly applying all over the lid. And I've tried to build up that color and it's not working. I'm trying to blend it out. It's not working. Once this sticks, it's done. So this as an eyeliner would be phenomenal. This is an eyeshadow, hell to the no. I actually did end up liking this color. But again, the blendability just is shit. As you can see right here, it like, if you don't use, it's just like the blending. It just all sticks to one area. I do not like this eyeshadow. And I wouldn't even like it as a lip. And I don't even think I would like these as a cheek. I just don't like this. So we're just gonna stop there. And my eyes are like sticking. Like, it feels not completely dry. There's some like drag there, but it's enough because I have hooded eyes. I feel it sticking in between my hooded eyes and it's like really annoying. Like, I feel like I didn't wash my eyes. No. All right, on to the next product. I'm wiping my makeup off after this, guys. Like, I'm not even gonna play games today. Not in the mood. This totally just was a buzzkill. I'm gonna put this lip gloss on and just see how it works out. This color is terrible. This is ugly as fuck. Okay, guys, we are back. And this has been 100% a shit show. I did not like this color. The texture of this, though, was fine. It is very sheer. There is like this old lady scent to it, which I don't like. It's very perfumey in the scent of the lips, and that just like throws me off because when I'm gonna lick my lips, I'm already gonna know that I'm like licking perfume, which is gonna gross me out. And because the scent is so heavy, like I inhale it and I literally can taste the scent. I will not be using this. Like, this is a no-go for me. Like, I need something that is like, has no scent to it, or is like your basic bitch, vanilla, mint. I don't even want a cupcake. Okay. As for the mattes, I do not even want to mess with it anymore. I gotta get my shit to work. And I'm so frustrated and flustered with this product, I don't even want to apply it anymore. I would only recommend using this as like an eyeliner. I would not recommend it for anyone else that does makeup the way that I do. The colorfix is super thick and it did pull some of that color right here from the matte. I also see it kind of breaking apart this area of the pink. So I don't know if this per se would even be beneficial to put or use as a glaze. Also, the packaging of all this, when you open up the lid, it's already oozing. Like, this is juicy. I think the only one that's like, see, I'm not even pushing on it and it's like ready to drop. Look at. I should go. That being said, that is everything that I have for this video. I am going to wash my face off because this is so disappointing. I was so excited to try this shit out, but I am so over it and I am so returning it. Thank you for watching this video. If you've tried any of her products and you've tried the lip gloss, please tell me that it just smells like an old lady and like I can still like inhale it. It's just gross. Like, I don't want my chicken to taste like old lady chicken. Like, okay, thanks, bye. But if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and check out my other videos and say hi. I would love it. All right, bye guys. Ah, my boo. And I would never follow her for my life. My boo, my boo. You are going back to Sephora. My boo.